Hi there, I'm back. I spent too much money on Teddy Fresh again. So I spent a lot of money last time. I did have to return basically everything, but this time round, because it's not 2020 and I have a job, my original job back, I get to keep kind of whatever I want. I paid my bills, I did good things, I worked my ass off, so I get to keep this and I'm very happy about it. So I'm gonna kind of look over the clothes real quick, I'm gonna try them on, and hopefully I can only make one video and not two videos like last time because I had way too much footage, and let's just try not to do that again. Yeah, how about that? All right, cool. So we'll get into it. So in my last video, I went on and on about the company's ethical policies, like how they make their clothes and where they make their clothes and how those people are paid and taken care of, and you know, also the quality of the clothes, which the quality of the clothes was still there. I just didn't really know much about the ethical practices of Teddy Fresh, and I still wish they were really transparent about it on their website. I did get back an email letting me know that they practice in fair trade, and that's pretty much it. That's all I got. I put the email somewhere here. I'm gonna take their word for it. I trust that Ela would be focused on that in some way. Just her as a person, I would really expect that, and I'm glad that her company is doing that from their word on it. I looked at a lot of old podcasts and I just couldn't find anything from when Ethan first wore that baseball cap with the Teddy on it to the release of it, and I just they didn't mention anything about the ethical practices of their company. But where the prices are, the email I received from Teddy Fresh support, I'm inclined to believe them because I really love them as people, as a two people. So anyway, getting past that, let's get into it. Here's the t-shirt, normal t-shirt. Really nothing going on here. One thing though is that, again, with the sizing with Teddy Fresh is kind of up in the air. This is an extra small. I also have an extra small in another shirt that I believe is actually smaller than this one. Let me see if I can go find that. This one is smaller because these are supposed to be the same size. Close up of the embroidery. The weight of the t-shirt and the feel of the t-shirt is actually very nice as well. Oh man.
So looking at the measurements now, I can see why it didn't really work out. I mean, the extra small says 31 waist and I'm a 28 waist. So I don't know what these measurements were doing. It's insane.
This is what it looks like. So these are an extra small. See, remember when I told you that I ordered two sizes and I ordered one extra small and one small? These don't really fit. I can already tell kind of that the extra small probably would have fit a lot better because there's a lot of puckering right here. You see that? Doesn't fit my hips, really. Now, do you think they cut me off weird? Do you think I'm over exaggerating here? Or wait, hold on, let me... There's sand in the pocket again. Wow, that's a lot. Hold on a second. It's a lot of stuff. It very barely fits me, and I really don't like this puckering. Straighten that out. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe I'll post this video and get your guys' opinion before I actually return this or try and sell it. It's super tight right here. And actually, I don't think it cuts me off all that weird. Like I normally think that overalls do kind of cut me off really weird, but these ones don't really feel that bad. So in the sizing, I noticed that the model, which is probably a model size, she's seen petite, was wearing a size medium. It looked really baggy on her, and I don't usually like baggy looking jeans all that much. So I decided to go with a small or extra small. These are the extra small. They are extra disappointing to me. Right, Jack? I mean, I really don't like that puckering there. And you know what? If I would have gotten the size small that I actually ordered with the extra small, I could have avoided this, which is what makes this very disappointing. Damn it. Anyway, so these are it. They kind of barely fit me. It's very skin tight right here. Again, I still don't have an ass, so that's fine. Really adorable, really cute, wildly disappointing on the shipping mistake that they caused. I don't know. Am I overreacting? Maybe I'm overreacting and you guys think this looks fine on me. Because again, it's really tight right here. It gets looser right here. I won't be able to use these pockets whatsoever, although on the other Teddy Fresh jeans, I couldn't use the pockets anyway. Please let me know. Please let me know if I'm being crazy or not, because I really, really wish I would have gotten small, which I ordered in my order, but was not provided to me because they took literally 10 days just to ship it to me, which is mind-blowing. What's that saying?
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
That's what this is. Jack, what do you think? Do you like this? You just want food, and that's fine. You're okay. So this is the Need a Hug knit shirt, and it stretches quite a bit. This is a size medium. I probably would have actually been okay with a size small, but I just didn't really want to risk it looking at their size chart. And I'm actually fairly happy with this. It's actually longer than I thought it would be. I thought it would be like cropped about right here where the jeans start. Either way, it's nice and I like it. And I'm actually pretty happy with this, and I'm gonna keep this one. What do you guys think? So right here we have Teddy Fresh logo patch here. It's stitched on this though. We do see that Need a Hug. It's still really cute. Actually very much love this, so I'm gonna keep it. Alright, here is the jean jacket. I think it might be a little too much for me. I don't know, what do you guys think? How it looks from the back, which is kind of stupid. Stupid. The pockets are very big. Oh, I thought that was an inside pocket, but it's not. It could have been an inside pocket, actually. Hold on. So if you're interested, I don't know if you are, but you can do a really light stitch here so it doesn't show too much through on this seam. You can do a bunch of stitches right up there and just keep your fucking phone right here in this pocket and have a second pocket. It is just jean. That's it. It's just denim. Kind of thick denim. I'm getting kind of warm. This is what I mentioned before. Right here on the edge, there's like smudge marks on it, which is kind of disappointing. All of the little buttons are super cute. And then on the inside, you have the picture, and you can kind of see it on this side of the jacket. I feel like I'm wearing my dad's jacket, which I have in the other room. I'm gonna have to think this one over. I don't know. Again, what do you guys think? You guys said some stuff last time about what you'd keep and stuff. So let me know again how you like this on me, or if I should just send it back. You know, maybe it's the jean on jean. I don't like jean on jean for the most part. So hold on. This changes nothing for me. Okay, these are jeans, but they're a different color. Oh no, am I just being weird? Maybe I'm just being weird. I just really like this daisy print, and I want the overalls to work, honestly, but I don't think it's gonna happen. They're just a little bit too tight. It's really fucked up that I ordered so fucking fast. Didn't ship for 10 days. I didn't get it until 14 days. And they told me that the size small for the daisy shortalls were back ordered and all they could do was refund me. Oh, I haven't even tried on the sweater. Hold on a second. So compared to the old first gen sweater of the color block variety, this one feels a lot softer. The logo is clearly different. It's not Hila's sketch of her first teddy bear that she did for the brand, which I kind of like. I like the other, let me show you fast. So this is the old logo, and that's the new one. I like how playful this one is a little bit more, but this one definitely looks more clean and streamlined for a brand rather than this. The patch is a little smaller. Again, probably they had to have it bigger because they had to accommodate all the little design elements in the TED. This one feels a lot more stiff. The pockets on this one are individual. This one is one big pocket that just kind of floats there with one seam in the middle there. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. In this, what I noticed again, because this fabric is so stiff, let's see how big that goes. That's it. It doesn't stretch really at all around this thing. This one gives a lot more. This one does not. I'm really trying to pull that apart. Not only does it feel less stiff, it's a little softer as well. So if you have an old color block hoodie and you were kind of questioning what the difference is between this one and that one, it's softer, it flows a little better, the pockets are bigger. They're bigger for sure. The ribbing texture at the bottom here, it stretches a lot more. The neck is a little wider, but also I'm wearing a medium, so I probably shouldn't mention the neck size. The other one feels like I know I say this all the time, but it's slipping through a birth canal. It's real tight, you know? I love this coloring so much. I love the navy, I love the purple, I love the plum. See, if I took away 2 inches, it shouldn't be too crazy. But I would love this in a zipper, very much so. And I think a medium for my size will allot me that space to do that. Would I normally buy an extra small? Probably it wouldn't give me that kind of freedom, which is why I don't wear that color block as much as I probably should. For the original color blocks, they were $75, I believe. They were $75. For these ones, it's $90, and I'm taking a huge risk adding a zipper on there when I've never added a zipper onto a sweater. I've done it for skirts and stuff like that, but not a sweater. Not something that is this thick in fabric. Hopefully I succeed in adding a zipper to it. Trying to show you a little bit of close-ups here. So here's the Need a Hug. There's the logo. Moving on. Here's the buttons really close up. And the slight disappointment of the smudge right here that hopefully will come off in a wash for somebody. And this here, which is just screen printed on. See, I love the daisy print, and I really wish they would have added a jean in the daisy print. Maybe they'll do that in the future. I'm not really sure. I would definitely wear and keep the daisy print jeans if they had that. Very nice embroidery, and it's actually fully embroidered in there. It's not just sewn on in the sense that this one is sewn on, because you can see the seams right there. I like it. He sniffed it. He said it's okay. Final thing here is the overalls. There isn't too many embellishments on here, except for these buttons that just say Teddy Fresh, just like the jeans did. That little red patch. Okay, so this one's a real pocket for pencils or something, and this one's like a full pocket here. These pockets here are deep and full of bleachy sand. So all the stuff I got from Teddy Fresh, I, for the most part, love. I mean, the jean jacket's kind of a toss-up for me because I've never really had a jean jacket, and I've never really been interested in buying a jean jacket before. So that one, probably for sure, I'm gonna give away. The other stuff, the daisy overalls, I really don't want to give up, but I just don't think they fit me the way that I want them to fit. And if I would have gotten that size small, it probably would have worked out perfectly fine. And I hope that next time my experience is better. Every time that I've ordered from Teddy Fresh, I usually get it within 5 days. And this is just the first time that it's been like that, where it's been 2 weeks since the release that I get a shipping update. So that's it for me. See ya.